Vani Murthy. I have been working in the space of waste management for the past 8 years, and I'm a part of SWMRT, that is the Solid Waste Management Roundtable. And we've been working towards sensitizing the citizens of Bangalore on managing their waste. And Citizen Matters have been a part of this journey for all these years, and they have supported us, featured us, and they played a very crucial role because they are the platform through which we have voiced our own awareness campaigns and programs.
I'm Nitya Ramakrishnan, part of Whitefield Rising. Whitefield Rising is actually a platform that is meant for people living in a community that want to come together and make an impact to the society immediately around them. So it's really a platform for change makers and one that can be emulated in any community across. The media's role, as we see it, is to take issues, report them, encourage those that are valid issues, and actually do significant investigative quality journalism on that. One that stands out very significantly is Citizen Matters. Quality journalism is what defines groups like Citizen Matters, where they take an issue, investigate it thoroughly, factually, unbiased, without being influenced. We've really come to realize that they are a partner with us.
My name is Satyanarayanan Shankaran, and I've been a citizen activist or a civic change maker in this space for close to 8 years now. I've been working with Prajarag. All the activism that we've been doing or the civic change that we've been looking at has been on transportation related issues. I've always found Citizen Matters coverage being extremely balanced and very detailed and in-depth, presenting both sides of the picture. In fact, in the open streets kind of a scenario, we found that Citizen Matters coverage has been more balanced than any of the mainstream newspapers, because I don't think they took the time to understand what this was all about.
My name is Priya Ramasubban. I'm one of the active citizens looking after this lake. When we started about 8 years ago, we were trying to figure everything out in isolation. While we were doing this, there were other lake groups. There was Puttanhalli, there was Ambalipura, where citizens were actively trying to do the same. Citizen Matters, by publishing information about various lake groups and citizen initiatives, have brought information to us that we didn't know about. We've developed a more dynamic and robust system of looking after lakes in Bangalore. And that's all because a local newspaper cared enough to talk about local issues.
My name is Vishwanath. I'm a civil engineer and urban planner by qualification. I've been working on water and sanitation issues in the city of Bangalore for the last 30 years. It's great that the city of Bangalore, which has a young population engaged with city governance, has such a wonderful platform called Citizen Matters, which I do not see happening in any other city, which allows us to pursue with policymakers, with politicians, with bureaucrats, issues concerning us, the local community, and the city as a whole. I have had the opportunity to write for Citizen Matters, and then I have had feedback which has helped me to take my work forward. For example, in implementing a rainwater harvesting policy for the city. Citizen Matters is absolutely essential and will be more essential in the coming days.
Our journalism is independent and objective because it's funded by ordinary citizens like you. We're not bankrolled by media moguls or politicians with vested interest. Your contribution will ensure that our work continues to enable such change makers to make a better Bengaluru. Will you enable change?